Mga kaibigan, I am not an expert here. That to reiterate some informations that I have right now. So there is a lot of things need to be answered, mga kaibigan. It is all about the legal procedure of law. In the principle of law, mga kaibigan, in which there is a legal procedures of law refers to the formal steps, rules, and process that must be followed in the legal systems of to enforce in order to protect the rights of an individuals, especially the suspect or the accused itself, and also to resolve the disputes or to address the legal claims, which is the claimants itself. These types of the procedure, it's vary across to the jurisdictions and the legal traditions, in which called a common law and the civil law systems. But in general, mga kaibigan, generally speaking, it is encompasses to there is a lot of more followings, major steps in which the law or the legal procedure of law, which they do not hide with that, mga kaibigan. So that's why all of you here, I would like to ask that I am not an expert. So we have here number 1, it is called a pre-trial procedure, in which before to take trials or before to take the trial into the place, and several steps will be followed to ensure that the parties or the both parties are prepared adequately, mga kaibigan, that this cases was handled fairly, and there is no favoritism, and also there is no politically motivated to arrest or to be heard, especially in the court hearing, mga kaibigan, sa pleading or the exhibit or the presentations. So mga kaibigan, it is called the pleadings. It is called the pleadings that the plaintiff files a formal complaint, and also the defendant will respond to that formal complaint, mga kaibigan, with an answer to motion to dismiss. So it is called a service, mga kaibigan. There is also a service of process that ensuring that the defendant is formally notified of their complaint. And also it is called a discovery, that to exchange of the informations between the parties. That's the disposition, interrogations, and productions of the documents. So the pre-trial motions, mga kaibigan, it is called the parties that may be file a motions, either motion to dismiss the cases, or it is called a summary of the judgment. And also we have in number 2, it is called the trial procedure. The trial procedure must be conducted at the presence of the evidence, examining the witnesses, and also to determine the facts to be decided that the outcome of the cases. So once again, I am not an expert here. So we have also a jury selections, if applicable, and selecting unbiased jurors. So it is a common law system. And also there is a opening statement in which both parties outline their cases to be heard in the court, mga kaibigan. So it is also, we have also a presentations of the evidence and the witnesses, and the questions of the ruling of the law during the court hearing, and also the other parties of the witnesses. The closing, also mga kaibigan, the closing arguments, it's called set aside for the summarizes of the their arguments and evidences. So during the jury deliberations, the jury trial, mga kaibigan, it could be to discuss or discusses and decide on the verdict of the cases that would be a file as a formal complaint. So the judgment, mga kaibigan, it called the judge gives the rulings and it could be to deliver a verdict, mga kaibigan. So, ganun ho mga kaibigan. And also, we have in number 3 is post-trial procedure. So, it is after the trial conclude. There are also the steps that may be taken to challenge certain things to enforce, mga kaibigan, for that outcome. So, there is an appeal. So, in appeal, it is called the party dissatisfied. So, hindi sila satisfied, dissatisfied to the outcome of the judgment. So, they may be appeal, especially to the higher court. And also, motion for the new trial for the reconsiderations that the parties may be request for this new trial for modifications of the judgment. And also, the enforcement of judgment that the winning parties ensures the compliance with the judgment and possible through the garnishment are the property lines, mga kaibigan. So, it is called, we have also here, mga kaibigan. So, thank you so much. It is the short and brief of our discussions that I do not know for this something like others discussions, mga kaibigan. And also, we have also alternative resolutions that maybe disputes are resolved in outside in the formal court to be processed. So, through this mechanism, mga kaibigan, mayroon tayong mga steps ng ganun. So, ganun ho mga kaibigan. So, thank you so much for the listening. So, there is a lot of the questioning, mga kaibigan.